Welcome to this live of Future is Female. If you are not yet subscribed, do it now, and also share this rare information as it is very rare to talk about these subjects like I do here, in a transparent, efficient and synthetic way. So let's take advantage of it. We will talk about the subject in two parts. First part, I will update you on the actual situation, and the foreseeable failed of this passport. I am not the only one to say this but to tell it again it's better, and we will travel also, no need of nothing, as you already have your national passport. The visa will work well again as it should rapidly, I will give you details. And I will take you to Bali, as with this climate which is changing, but who is still a bit heavy, so it's more than time to change it. For my part, I travel through my thought first, I put some image on the place where I want to go and make some research, and I think you do same. Tell me in the comments if you do same. Then after, I travel in person. So this VAC passport which is very bad, I love language of birds. I told that 2020 was the year of scandal and 2021 the year of freedom. So it's in transit, so the different blockage we can have on some talks are also in transit, you just have to be smart. It's very therapeutic to use language of birds, as it brings out some humor and in some way, explain it anger thus transforming it as something very positive and liberator. And you know, we all hope for liberation, even I make a mistake about the 20th of January. We wait a lot that it came from the outside, from a savior, and thus, maybe there will be some face that will come and given the name of savior. But, essentially, this backup is of the responsibility of each and every one.
Donc, le temps qu'on soit libéré, c'est transitoire. Donc, les différents blocages qu'on peut avoir sur certains propos le sont aussi. Il suffit juste d'être malin. Donc, je compte sur toi aussi en commentaire pour être smart et puis utiliser le langage des oiseaux. C'est formidable aussi en exercice thérapeutique, ce langage des oiseaux, pour avoir de l'humour et se détacher de la situation et en quelque sorte exprimer sa colère, mais la transformer énergétiquement en quelque chose d'extrêmement positif et libératoire. Et tu sais, la libération, on attend beaucoup, moi-même, hein, tu vois, j'ai fait l'erreur avec le 20 janvier, on attend beaucoup que ça vienne de l'extérieur, que ça vienne d'un sauveur, et en fait, peut-être il y aura quelques figures qui vont apparaître comme ça, qui vont pouvoir être étiquetées sauveurs, mais essentiellement, cette sauvegarde, puisqu'on en est là, hein, de notre souveraineté, elle est au départ intérieure et de la responsabilité de chacun d'entre nous.
It will not work, and we could take a lot of time talking about it, but I want to be more synthetic by telling you in a simple, rapid and efficient way. And to do that, I like metaphor, so you see a wall. And like I told you in my videos, how we can anticipate the future, is to look what happened in the past, we look in the present the tips, of events which are not yet seen by everyone, but I can perceive these events now, easily. You know I taste wine also, so I like to mention the texture, so these events have a texture, an energy and a specific identity. By dint of seeing these events, I identify them some ambassador of the future. And when you assemble these small events together, it allows you to get this directive line towards the future. And like you watch a river that flows from the mountain going to the sea, like I already told you, even if there is a tree or whatever, inevitably, at some point, the river will touch the sea. So there is a wall, a big wall of lies, which does date from yesterday or before the Cocoloco, but long ago. And visualize this wall who is not far to crack, and these small stones started to go from the wall like some micro events. So at the start the wall was perfect with only 1 or 2 small stone leaving the wall each 1 or 2 months. Now imagine, that every seconds, a small stone is leaving the wall, causing it to be more and more vulnerable. You do not know when the wall will collapse, but you know it's imminent. And we are all waiting for this moment to come to see the wall down. We are like, why is it not now, why it's not happening? At the same time, as from the start of the month, we have all started to feel that the energies are changing.
À un moment ou à un autre, cette rivière touchera l'eau de la mer. Donc là, il y a eu un barrage, tu vois, un espèce d'énorme barrage de mensonges qui n'a pas été établi hier ou avant le Cocoloco, qui a été établi il y a très longtemps. Et ce barrage-là, tous les petits événements, regarde et puis dis-moi en commentaire, même dans les médias mainstream, même au-delà des manifestations, dans les interventions aussi des différents lanceurs d'alerte, au départ c'est des micro-événements mais qui se multiplient. Et alors je veux vraiment te partager cette image. Donc tu vois ce barrage comme ça qui est prêt à craquer et en fait la période actuelle c'est des petits cailloux Tu vois, il y a bien sûr des fissures, mais tu as comme des bouchons de champagne. Tu as des petits cailloux qui commencent à gicler comme ça, à partir du barrage. Et donc au début, tu vois, le barrage était lisse, et puis il y avait un petit caillou, tu vois, et puis il fallait attendre un mois ou deux, un autre petit caillou. Tu vois, je te parle d'il y a 5-6 ans, tu vois. Et puis là, si tu veux, tu peux carrément imaginer que toutes les secondes, il y a un petit caillou qui pète. Et donc, tu ne sais pas quand le barrage définitivement va s'effondrer, mais tu sais que c'est imminent. Et on est tous énergétiquement à la fois dans cet abattement, même moi, tu vois, je le ressens, de mais pourquoi pas encore, pourquoi pas maintenant, pourquoi il faut encore attendre. Et en même temps, depuis le début du mois, tu vois, dans une énergie où on sent que c'est imminent et quelque part on a tous déjà senti les énergies changer.
So it's like the period we are in. We would like that everything was good, that people who lies do their mea culpa. We would like that it was more soft, but no, it will be done a bit roughly and unfortunately, not in a frank and sincere way. So, in the question, I have many subscribers and non-subscribers on Facebook who tell that they are waiting for the end of the masquerade. And me as well, in the profession of futurist, I want to conserve my advancement and make those who follow me save time. Me also, I have wait, and you know as long as you wait, it's a trap. I will advise you to not wait, and to consider that it's already over. And to take you disposition as if it was already over. And for me, it's already over since long, that I have already taken my air ticket with my children. But eventually, I will not take any risk. But start to act now and in a point of view of the divine, that what is asking of us. To end the crack of this wall, all that is well awake will know, is that to consider, that it is already over. It's the best help that we can bring to the energies that contribute to the emergence of truth and the change of this world to a way that is more simple. To answer all your question. So stop to wait, it's very important. There are many questions that I have already answered in the previous live, concerning bank and the fear that banks collapse.
Ni moi, ni mes enfants. Donc tu vois, commence à agir. Et je pense que d'un point de vue divin, c'est ce qui nous est demandé, en fait, pour finir de faire péter ce barrage, déjà, tous ceux qui sont éveillés, on est de plus en plus nombreux, de considérer que c'est fini. Et c'est la meilleure aide que l'on puisse apporter à toutes les énergies qui contribuent à l'émergence de la vérité et au basculement de ce monde vers quelque chose de beaucoup plus sain. Voilà. Donc, pour répondre aux questions, donc arrête d'attendre, ça c'est super important. Alors, il y a beaucoup de questions, j'avais déjà répondu dans le précédent live par rapport aux banques, tu sais, et à la peur comme ça que les banques s'effondrent. Et au niveau des banques, bien sûr, tu en as.
Concerning banks, of course there are some that will collapse, but not all. I am not a financial expert, but I advise you to diversify. Their internet system, not only PayPal. It's basic, you have 3 banks, you do not put all your money on only one bank. And you use internet system, which are not banks. You diversify, same for your revenue. If you are salaried employee, it's good, even if it's difficult. Start to find another source of income in addition to your salaried work. If you are entrepreneur, diversify, it's the basis. Today on internet, there are many training that allow, according to your interest, to orient yourself and to allow you to get other source of income. Personally, I have opened more places for one-to-one appointment. The link is in the description. I have made a seminar this weekend and there were many entrepreneurs. I found that I was magnetic for them according to their professional question on the future when they exposed their orientation situation like in old school. These appointments can help you in this way. So, take a look in the description. There are not many appointments, but we can really together look at your situation and give you some guidelines.
On te mettra tout en description. Parce que quand tu es en reconversion professionnelle, ça j'en ai beaucoup, tu vois, j'ai fait un séminaire ce week-end et il y avait beaucoup d'entrepreneurs et je me suis rendu compte que j'étais magnétique pour eux par rapport à leurs questions professionnelles sur le futur quand ils se posaient dans des problématiques d'orientation. Donc, comme quand on était au lycée, tu sais, avec le guide d'orientation, ces rendez-vous peuvent t'aider à ça. Donc regarde, il n'y a pas beaucoup de rendez-vous, mais on peut vraiment ensemble regarder ta situation et te donner, alors en fonction des données que tu me donnes, mais te donner une ligne directrice claire.
I think that there will be an overhaul of the bank system on international level but in an organized way. It's difficult to give dates, but once that the overhaul of the other system will be made, eventually, this will be taken into consideration. And according to me, in 4 or 5 years. Here, if it can reassure you. So, the truth on everything is already here. Everyone is not ready to affront it. In my private sharing, I show you an open door, for you to disconnect. For me this the sum up, of where I am. For now, I have not seen how to go even far. But I revealed you the open door towards one lie, who has in common all other lies. And this lies are made to us since 500 years. And the principal difficulties of this lie is that it disconnects us to our divine connection. That's why I tell you this in private. If I can tell you publicly, I have tried but in vain. I understand that the best way to do it is to do it in private. I have well understood also that not everyone was ready. So I made in my private sharing steps for those who decides to take action to see the truth. So consider that this path of truth that, by dint of discovering truth and clearing lies, you will feel it.
Au divin, à notre connexion au divin et à notre pouvoir sur Terre, et à notre pouvoir d'action sur Terre. Donc c'est pour ça que j'ai pris le parti de te le dévoiler en privé. Si je pouvais le faire publiquement, et j'ai essayé, je le ferais, mais j'ai bien compris que ce n'était pas possible, et j'ai bien compris que la meilleure façon de le faire, c'était de le faire en privé. Et j'ai bien compris aussi que tout le monde n'était pas prêt, donc j'ai fait dans mon partage tout un tas d'étapes pour préparer ceux qui décident d'ouvrir les yeux sur cet ensemble de vérités. Mais comme tout ensemble de vérités qui pose aussi énormément de questions ouvertes à laquelle on n'a pas forcément les réponses, tu vois. Mais on sait que quand tu sais que quelque chose n'est pas vrai, tu commences à percevoir une autre réalité qui existe, mais tu n'as pas toutes les réponses. Voilà. Donc considère que c'est un cheminement, cette quête de vérité, que à force de découvrir des vérités et de nettoyer les mensonges, comme je te le disais, comme un vin ou comme ces infos qui annoncent le futur,
I advise to move forward like this. Each time that you go from one truth to the other, it's freeze, and it's a factor to fulfillment. Important point, I have this in comments on by mail, a lady that its partner is not on the same level of development like her. So in this case, you do not have to force. You can give the example but do not force the other person, it can be your family or else. At some point what need to be done, will be done. Meeting is also made to progress. You can live your life with one person, or live your life by phase with different type of person. I hope I was gentle in my talks.
Que ce soit ta famille ou autre. Et puis à un moment donné, ce qui doit se faire, doit se faire. Si tu évolues grandement et qu'il n'y a plus aucune connexion, tu sais, les rencontres sont faites aussi pour évoluer. Et aujourd'hui, on peut passer sa vie avec une personne ou on peut passer sa vie avec, par phase, plusieurs types de personnes. Voilà, j'espère que je le dis suffisamment gentiment. Alors, dans les questions aussi...
So in the question, it concerns the trumpet. So yes, well I am impatient like you, I've been waiting like you, I have decided to stop waiting like you. I have decided to save myself which is more effective. I hope like you, so I don't think that I listen to Alexis a lot, it's done a lot well every time. I don't think the story is over but I don't think it is too. You see he is so savior what we were kind enough to announce I think at a given moment he was positioned there to be the man of the situation but behind him there is a whole team at work, and that in this real victory and in these revelation and in this first reconquest of America and then after the whole world from the people to the people, you see people of the sovereign, I think it will have been a triggering event.
Et que dans cette réelle victoire et dans ces révélations et dans cette reconquête d'abord de l'Amérique et puis après du monde entier, du peuple pour le peuple, tu vois, du peuple souverain, je pense que ça aura été un événement déclencheur.
Concerning children, I have a lots of questions about which is very, very important. I myself have 2 children. So it is clear that the masks have protected them the more possible, all which is discrimination at the school. Also if we win a lot penny with what we learned at school we would know. Anyway it will stop for a while I think it pretty quickly now, so when it's our children we cannot take it anymore, we can very well make him miss for a week and especially show our child that we are on his side, and not to impose at home the same unjust constraint on him that he can feel at school, on the contrary to show how we are rebel, and rebel by his side.
Ne pas faire à la maison la même, lui imposer les mêmes contraintes injustes que ce qu'il peut ressentir à l'école. Au contraire, montrer qu'on est rebelle et rebelle à ses côtés.
I just wanted to make a final point on health, by what I wrote in the private group for those who are in my private sharing. When we are going to discover that this wave is very, very bad and dangerous, of course not for everyone, you are going to find people who will have taken the sting and are going to be fit, but the problem is like for the autistic children or other, you do not know all these toxic elements which are contained in the sting, you do not know, you cannot prove that in court 10 years later, you have developed such chronic diseases because of that you did 10 years ago. Even yourself you have a lot of trouble to trace the cause.
Avec tous ces éléments toxiques qui sont contenus dans la pique, tu ne sais pas, tu ne peux pas prouver en justice que 10 ans après, tu as développé telle maladie chronique à cause de ça que tu as fait il y a 10 ans. Tu vois, même toi-même, tu as beaucoup de mal à tracer la cause.
We are going to discover finally after that, you see, there were also treatments which were hidden. We were hidden from simple and easy treatment for Cocoloco. It's been years that we have been hiding effective treatment against cancer, and it has also been years that we are lied about the origin of diseases such as AIDS, you see. If the escapees of the lab, it can have a wide history. This is what I wanted to share with you for topical issues already a lot, and now I am going to take you on a trip to the future. I will drink a little bit, and in this trip to the future I want to take you to Bali, because when you look very far in the past, what do you see? You see the future and it's enthusiastic, you see it often. I'm looking for my notes. Often you see me very enthusiastic about the future because really I have very clear images, and you also know that I originally work in a sector that takes me back to the past. I work in wine too, and when you plant a vine, the plant is 40 years old, it will give you good grapes at 40 years old. When you look, I make identity in wine. You look at the identity of a wine, you go up to 300 to 400 or 500 years old, you see it's going very far.
Je travaille à l'origine dans un secteur qui me fait remonter sur le passé. Je travaille dans le vin aussi, et quand tu plantes une vigne, tu la plantes à l'horizon de 40 ans. Elle va te donner des bons raisins à 40 ans. Quand tu regardes, moi je fais de l'identité dans le vin, quand tu regardes l'identité d'un vin, tu remontes jusqu'au moine il y a 300, 400 ou 500 ans, tu vois, ça va très loin.
I also think it's interesting to tell you about my journey. So to make it short, because I have already done it several times, I grew up on a vineyard that was already very, very connected since it was the European center of spiritualism, so I found myself in Bali for my last year of study, incredible, in 1994, and I had by chance, but there is no chance to find an internship at Club Med in Bali, and when I saw the atmosphere I well understood that it was not for me, and therefore I resigned from the Club Med internship in Bali. Before I was studying in Taiwan, you know, I told you, and I started like that to discover Bali, but imagine yourself in 1994, that is to say you had of course the big hotels, but it was not at all for me, you see. You had some big hotels which attract international tourists, and after that there was some surfer in Bali, and therefore, Bali culturally, you see, fortunately in Bali all this Balinese culture is very strong but so on more preserving, and I had the chance to come into contact with this culture which awakened a lot of things in me. So for example in Bali you see there is a very, very important ancestor cult, but overall in Asia, and when you have a very important cult like that of nature, from very early in the morning the Balinese women make offerings in the street, you have a feast of all. You have a metal party, you are going to talk to your car, to your scooter. So these things that enormous me to speak, I had the chance to be at the end of the bridge 1994, you know, at the end it is also a spiritual center.
Très tôt, les femmes balinaises font des offrandes dans la rue. Et tu as une fête de tout, tu as une fête du métal où tu vas parler à ta voiture, à ton scooter, tu vois. Donc c'est des choses qui m'ont énormément parlé. J'ai eu la chance d'être à Ubud du coup en 94. Tu sais, Ubud c'est un peu aussi un centre spirituel pour Bali. Donc, si tu veux,
it's unbelievable to come back like that very far from the past, since for me Bali from 1994 still today there is some trace, but it is really the past of the earth as we could know it. There is, I dare not tell you that long before Jesus, you see. I don't want to put dates, because I don't have any confirmation. I am not a scientist in this field. For me, these communities, villagers, who are organized, spirituals, connected and at the same time very fine in terms of culture, arts, spiritual connection, all the Balinese arts, theater, dance, temple. A Balinese temple is extraordinary in terms of wealth and refinement.
Ces communautés villageoises, organisées, spirituelles, connectées et en même temps pas des orang-outans, tu vois, très très fins en termes de culture, d'art, de connexion spirituelle, tu vois, avec tout l'art balinais, du théâtre, de la danse, des offrandes, des temples. Enfin, tu vois, un temple balinais, c'est extraordinaire en termes de richesse et de raffinement.
In the future, we are not going to go back, but we will learn from the past, the best, and we will not accept any more because the energies do not accept it anymore, all the lies and manipulation done to us since 500 years. And it's that which is collapsing, slowly, but collapsing.
Qui nous sont faits depuis, alors je te dis visiblement 500 ans, mais depuis avant, et où ça a été crescendo en fait. Donc c'est ça qui s'effondre en fait, doucement, mais qui disparaît.
So what I want to say on Bali is to keep only from Bali and from Asia in general, from what needs to be healed. And I think that the Kokoloko will play a role in that. In the Asiatic culture, mainly Bali, there is a veneration done for ancestors. There is an open culture with the other world, and a connection with the visible and the invisible which is very obvious.
Je ne parle pas des crémations et tout, sinon le live ferait des heures et des heures. Mais il y a un culte comme ça des ancêtres, une culture ouverte de l'autre monde et une connexion entre le visible et l'invisible qui est très palpable.
So, it's the elders who were victim of the Kokoloko crisis. It's a way that asking us to reconsider our perception of death, of fear of death, the acceptation of life by considering life in another way, and to reconnect, to heal the line of the ancestors to our children. So, you see, the Kokoloko impact on both elders and children. So it's really to heal the descendants of all, by connecting ourselves to simple truth. So in the Balinese culture, there are a lot to learn.
De nos ancêtres à nos enfants, puisque tu vois, ça touche les deux, ce Kokoloko. Ça touche d'abord nos anciens, et maintenant, ça nous inquiète par rapport à nos enfants. Donc vraiment, de guérir comme ça nos lignées à tous, en nous reconnectant à des vérités simples, en découvrant des vérités. Et dans l'exemple de cette culture traditionnelle balinaise, on a énormément à apprendre.
Next to Bali, I love it. I would like to buy a house there. It's called Nusa Penida. It's extraordinary. It's between two islands, that is, Lembongan and Seningan. There is an adorable yellow pond there, but maybe with time they change it.
C'est extraordinaire. Tu es entre deux îles, entre Limbogan et Seningan. Tu as un petit pont, c'était un petit pont jaune, là maintenant ils l'ont refait, c'est différent.
So I think that, even in this situation, a trip to Bali, if ever you have never been there, or if you are on this channel on this live, is that the future is one of you interest. So, don't go to touristic zone. Personally, when I go to Bali, I go directly to Obul. I share all the details in my private sharing on the detox that I do there. I am actually dreaming of returning there. Normally I go there each 2 years. It allows me to remain young, as it's all the toxins in our body that make us old.
C'est parce que ce qui te fait vieillir, c'est les toxines, tu vois. Et c'est en une semaine, c'est un programme incroyable.
So Tits Incredible is a program on 1 whole week. And I wrote 60 of my books there in 4 days. It's the detox of your life. I cannot tell you more here, everything is in my private sharing. So in the Brazil, I went to see João de Deus. I met him in Spain, when he was coming in Spain, and I went to Abadania in Brazil. There are a whole scandal concerning João de Deus, accusing him of pedophiles. This disturbed me, but I think that when many famous people get to know the place has been perverted.
À mon expérience là-bas, et puis tu sais, à mon expérience par rapport à Allan Kardec ou autre. Donc je pense, c'est un centre à un moment donné à Badania, il y avait beaucoup.
So you know, when there is a lot of good and pure energies, it also attracts the bad vibes.
Peut-être, ce que je sais, comme partout, c'est que dès que tu as beaucoup de belles énergies très lumineuses, que tu as des vortex comme ça d'énergie très pure et très puissante, forcément ça attire l'ombre aussi.
So, you want, I can make a live on Abadania, João de Deus, on the visible and the invisible, talking about CIAM, of Steve Jobs that come to visit us in our dream to create an application to communicate with the death sometimes.
Pour qu'on puisse communiquer avec nos chers défunts, pas tout le temps, mais quand c'est nécessaire. Bref, je vous parlerai de Gainsbourg, qui m'a fait un rêve comme ça en 3D. Il y a plein de choses que je peux évoquer. Par rapport aux enfants aussi.
Concerning the children also, I can make a live, so tell me. When we communicate with our children in advance, I have many stories on this to share with you. Here it is. I think that this live is already rich and dense. I hope that it boosts you up with energies. That you understand that there is a pressure of truth, lights, and positive evolution that the wall will crack. If it does not crack at once, enjoy and reassure yourself. Look at the small stone. And stop to wait. Take action. If you are not yet in my private sharing, it's the time of never to do it.
Comme ça,
All
qui
the
sont en
link
train
will
de
be in
découvrir
description.
toutes les fissures. Et arrête d'attendre, passe à l'action. Donc, si tu n'es pas encore dans mon partage privé, c'est le moment ou jamais de le rejoindre. Tout le lien va être en description dans 2 ou 3 minutes, le temps que j'arrive à gérer l'ensemble. Et
Join
rejoins-nous,
us, because
parce que
for
pour
us,
nous,
we
on
are
est
already in
déjà
the
dans
world
le
of the
monde
future,
d'après, on est
already in
déjà
our
dans notre
golden
âge
age.
d'or. Alors
So
évidemment, ça se
eventually,
fait
it
pas
cannot be
comme
done
ça,
like that,
mais
but
déjà
only
de
to
le
decide it,
décider,
to make the
de
first
faire
step,
le
you
premier pas,
already
tu as
do
fait
50 of the
50% du
job.
job. Et
After that,
après,
you can be touched by news,
on
can be
peut
sad
être
for
atteint
people taking the
par
very
les
bad
nouvelles, on peut être atteint.
VACC,
Moi, je
but it's
suis
not of
triste
our
aussi par les gens qui
responsibility.
prennent le VAC très très nul. Mais ce n'est pas ma responsabilité. Chacun sa
Each and every one
responsabilité. Et ma
takes its own
responsabilité, c'est de
responsibility. My
communiquer
responsibility is to
librement par
communicate
rapport à
my
mon parcours et
experience
aux
and
informations
information.
que j'ai avec le maximum de mes contemporains. Donc je compte sur toi pour m'aider dans ce sens.
So I
Partage
count on you to
largement
help me
cette
share this
vidéo
video.
et en
Use the language of birds in the
commentaire,
comments.
utilise le langage des oiseaux. C'est le meilleur exercice que je puisse te faire pour passer le cap agréablement et surfer sur la vague de ce barrage qui pète.
See
À
you
très
soon,
vite.
bye.
Ciao, ciao.